Hello guys, this is TV Coder here. In today's video I will teach you about Laravel on the making routes and controller. So before I'm starting discuss about routes and controllers, I will make sure you had some basic MVC. What is MVC? MVC is model, view and controller, which is model is your data stored from database, and you can also create your query inside the model. And the view is a presentation of your page, which is like a front end, and the output results of your page is need to results on your views. And the controller is the main part when you make a process. Is example, you cooking dishes, model is the ingredients, and the control is the process, how to make it, and the view is the presentation of your food or your dishes, is something like that. That is the theory of the MVC, and I will show you how to use routes and controllers. So let's get started. First, you need to open your command prompt. You need to generate your controller. When your controller is all you have to do, check your PHP version, and it's ready to go. You need to go PHP artisan make controller is hello controller. Control create successfully. And we back to our code. There is some routes you can see on the routes folder. There is 3 of folders, the files inside the routes folder. There is API, console, and web. I will discuss later what is API, what is a console, what is a web. So we focus on the web.php inside the routes folder. And as you can see, there is route get dash. What does that mean? So I will show you how to do that, and you need to use PHP dash capital letter of S as local host. I'm using port 1000. Make sure to not conflict with my other ports. And using public inside the public and localhost 1000. Yes, it's something like that. What if I am using return is hello world? This is return the string. Let's see how it goes. And there it is. There is 2 ways you define to redirect your views. First is from your routes, and second thing is controller. I recommend using the controller because that is a reason we learn about MVC on theory. I just tell you in the beginning of this video, and I will show how to do that. And we need to make a views, and there is some folders named resource. There is a resource inside that. There is a views, and this is the workaround we need to work it. And we need to create our new folder if you want. Otherwise, you can also make a new file, but I recommend using a new folder because I need to make it more structurable and make easier to read. And the new folder, and it's hello. And inside of that, I will make a file is index.blade.php. What is Blade? Blade is a web template, which is Laravel has a Blade template. But if you don't want to use a Blade template, you can also play in a PHP. But I recommend using a Blade because there is a lot of benefit using a Blade. So I will show you. I will make the file name index.php inside the hello folder, and need to go inside the hello controller. There is a plain controller here, and I will make a few. I need to make a action is public function is index is return view hello dot index, and I will need to direct is hello. It's no found HTTP restriction because we not define our routes links yet. We need to go back to inside the routes folder and going to web file, and we need to define another routes. This is a get HTTP, and you need to use route get is define hello function, and no, not function, because we need to direct our controller is hello controller. The methods of the action is the index, and let's see how it goes. Here is empty because we not define the variables inside the action name index, and we don't pass the variable from index action to the views. So I will show you how to do this. And need to use, I will store the data. The data is array indexes, and I will put on the name, on the first name. Don't use space because this index key, when you put on the view, it came into the variables, so I recommend you not using a space. And I will use first name Henrio, and the last name is piano, and need to store to view, and like this, and we need to presentate onto the views. Need to use hello double brackets because you need to store variables. But if you store HTML text like forms or scripts or CSS, you need to use brackets with the double exclamation marks. It's really simple. And I will receive the first name variables and also the last name. Let's see how it goes. Yes, we retrieve our variables from the controller to our views. So this is a very simple tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Next video I will teach you about the models. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys learn about this. And thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my contents, make sure you subscribe to my channel and put the thumbs up on my videos. And don't forget to share videos if you like it. And check out my Facebook page and my Twitter account. Make sure you follow, like them. I will put my social media links in the video description down below. I will see you guys in the next video next week. See you soon. Bye bye for now. Stay tuned.